Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. You were in college working part-time.
Do you want to know a place riddled with history, nature and charm? Visit the Route of the Flysh. A trip through time across the treasures nature has left behind in Euskadi. Live the experience of travelling 60 million years back in time whilst enjoying the most fabulous places. The Route of the Flysh offers an experience filled with contrasts and fun. All the way from boat trips and visits to museums, to relaxing walks along beaches and dreamlike villages. Between Mutriku, Deba and Sumaya, you will find the most spectacular cliffs that make up the Flysh. An outstanding geological formation that has allowed us not only to study the history of our planet, but also left us the richest biological environment. On foot, by boat, with the family or with friends. This fascinating protected bioscope can be visited in many ways. We begin our trip at the Nautilus Center in Mutriku, a fascinating museum that has a unique exhibit of fossils that dates back 110 million years. After the museum, nothing better than a boat trip that will take us to discover one of the Basque country's most valued treasures, the Black Flysh of Mutriku, the breathtaking cliffs in Deba, or the marvelous extracts in Sumaya. Without a doubt, a magical route where to happily enjoy the breathtaking scenery while listening to professional guides explain this natural phenomenon. We arrived at Sumaya, a small coastal village that stands out because of its beautiful beach hidden under huge cliffs. Near here, we can find La Punta de Algori, a location where great geological finds have taken place, and that stands out for its beauty and uniqueness, since this particular geological setting is practically the only one in the world. To end this fascinating itinerary, we will visit the picturesque coastal villages that complete the route. Mutriku, a village that staggeringly overlooks the sea, has a great number of cultural interests, such as are the monumental old quarters. It is a charming fishing town, where one's attention is immediately drawn to its narrow history-filled streets and their little terraces, ideal for taking a quick break and taste a delicious chakoli. In the touristy city of Deba, we'll be able to visit the wonderful beach or enjoy a pleasant walk through the town. We can visit its colourful market and see for ourselves how plants and vegetables exchange hands among the villagers. We should definitely not miss the Santa Maria Church and contemplate one of the most spectacular porticos in the area and the oldest cloister in the province. And to end our trip, a bit of exercise. Travelling a section of St. James's Way together with pilgrims from all over the world can be a nice plan. Although we can also do a bit of hiking along the natural pathways that run along the cliffs, or even go canoeing in the inland waters. An incredible way to end this fascinating route.